Hello everyone, in this video I will walk you through how to use the knowledge base AI agent in DreamzCMMS across both the mobile and web applications to get instant answers and raise support tickets. All of this is done through a smart chat interface. Here, I will show you how to start a chat with the AI agent, how to ask generic questions and raise a ticket, and how to view the incident created in DreamzCMMS. So, let's get started. Let me share my mobile application. I have already logged in as a user. First of all, let me go to the More section and then tap on AI Help. Over here, I simply need to click on CMMS Knowledge Base to begin a knowledge base chat. You just need to provide a conversation title and then click on Add New. By doing this, you will be able to start the chat. The first step is to select the generic knowledge base. Next, you need to type what you're looking for. You can either use voice input or type it manually here. So I'm just typing and then I click on the send icon. Now it will search the knowledge base and provide you with a related answer. It will also ask you if you would like to raise a ticket for this issue. If you want to raise a ticket, you simply click on yes. If you don't want to, then click on no. For demonstration purposes, I am clicking on yes. Next, you need to select the location. In the following section, you need to review the information. If you want to modify it, you have the option to do that from here. If all the information is correct, you just type yes. Then it will ask whether you want to attach a photo with your complaint. If you don't want to, simply click on no, but if you do want to attach a file, click on yes. Now, it will ask you to choose a file. You can take a photo, choose a file from your library, or add a file manually. For demonstration, I open the camera, capture a picture, and as soon as I save it, it will now show you a message confirming your complaint has been logged, along with the case ID and other relevant details. To view the incident or request in the DreamzCMMS portal, simply go to the Request page. I have already logged in and I'm on the Request screen, and this is the request I just logged from the mobile application. So, this is how from the mobile app you are able to search any generic question and raise a support ticket for any issue. Now let's look at how you can do the same from the web portal. The process is almost the same. You simply need to click on the blue chat icon and it will provide you with the interface. To begin with the knowledge base AI agent, you need to click on CMMS Knowledge Base AI Agent, and it will take you to a new, larger screen. The process remains the same. You need to provide the conversation title, click on Add New, and then select the generic knowledge base. Now you need to type what you're looking for. For example, type wiring is faulty in the lift. Just like on mobile, you can use voice input or type the text manually. It will now search the generic knowledge base and provide the relevant information. Here also, you will get the same option. Would you like to raise a ticket? Select yes or no. If you want to raise a ticket, simply click yes. Next, you need to select the location, review the information, and if everything is correct, type yes. If you want to attach a photo, you'll be prompted with a yes or no option. Click yes if you want to add one, then select the file. The system will now log your complaint and display the incident number. Let me go back to the request list and refresh the screen. And here you can see request number 467 has been generated. So this is how from both the mobile application and the web portal, you are able to search the knowledge base and raise a support ticket. If you have any questions, please let us know, and thank you for watching the video.